So now I need to change my turn signal, which is just above my low beam. Actually, if that's my low beam, then my turn signal is right there. So I'm going to pull that out. Okay, I'd already loosened it, so I believe it fell out. Hold on. Turn signal, where did you go? There it is. That's the bulb. So it's hooked to the low beam. I'm gonna take this out and replace it. That bulb right there. So again, it's attached there, and then you put it back up in there. So when I take this out, just popped out. And what I'm going to do now is pop this one that's in my hand in. Alright, I popped it back in. And now my turn signal is no longer blinking fast. Isn't that awesome?